So I'm just seeing poking the bear. They've been poking the bear lately. And I don't know, I have a feeling this is kids, maybe your kids. I don't know. But I'm seeing that you're being provoked and you're highly intelligent. So you already know better than to snap out on people. But this is like wild. Like, you're like the center of attention here. You're being treated like a celebrity. Like, everybody is focused on you. And you're using this energy maybe in the future. Maybe right now it's still frustrating, but in the future, you're using this energy, this negative energy. It's constant. Use it like currency. Change it, transmute it into something new. Change it into something that matters to you. Control it. Because it's free. Some people pay for this type of attention. You're getting it free. So keep doing what you're doing. Focus on yourself. That's what's attracting them. That's what's attracting them to you. I feel like you have some type of professional work. Like you're an accountant, or maybe an aspiring accountant. You're in school and you're doing a lot of studying, and the noise is starting to get to you. The kids outside playing. The cars, the honking. Normal everyday life is getting to you because you're so focused, and this work is requiring you to push through your normal boundaries, the walls, basically. You're pushing through your own walls and you're pushing through your own boundaries, which is normal in the business world. But in everyday life, it means you're going to be exposed to the elements. So this is a warning. These kids are not doing anything wrong. Don't treat them like a nuisance. Like any moment you're going to snap out, because it's just not an option. So don't even let that type of tension build up and trigger you. Ignore them, basically. They're kids. Ignore the cars, ignore the honking. If it's really something you want, this job, this career, whatever's making you focus so intensely, if it's really something you care about, then put on some music or something. Put on some ambiance, noises or sounds, white noise, or just like a cafe house ambiance or ASMR to distract you. Because I don't want to see you getting into that area of starting to take narcotics or substances to alleviate your nerves, because it's really starting to get nerve-wracking. And you're like, how is this even possible to get this work done with all of this racket? But it's really not that loud. You're just focused. You're just in tune. Your senses are highly keen to your environment, and you can turn it down just as easily as you turn it up. So hopefully this helps. You're about to be in touch with yourself. Maybe draw back a little bit. Don't focus so hard. Your work is really not that difficult. Let it be easy. You're always pushing forward. Like, it's just a little bit more that I could learn, a little bit more that I could do, so that you can maintain that advantage over your peers, but it's driving you crazy. It's really driving you nuts, and it's not worth it. It's not worth getting on drugs, because that's what it will lead to. Whether it's over the counter or under the counter, your nerves are going to be destroyed.